As floodwaters start to recede in some areas, it's the first chance to wade home and salvage whatever personal belongings are left. But as the waters fall, the scale of need rises. For millions, home is now the side of the road or a hastily thrown together camp. More than 1,150 people are dead, 33 million are affected. The head of the UN is urging the world to come to Pakistan's aid in an urgent cash appeal. He warns today it is Pakistan, tomorrow it could be your country.
South Asia is one of the world's global climate crisis hotspots. People living in these hotspots are 15 times more likely to die from climate impacts. As we continue to see more and more extreme weather events around the world, it is outrageous that climate action is being put on the back burner as global emissions of greenhouse gases are still rising, putting all of us, everywhere, in growing danger.
Today, the Prime Minister said these were the worst floods in the country's history. In these satellite images, you can really see the devastation as rivers burst and rains washed away everything from crops to bridges. Every province of the country has been affected. In Sindh province, north of Karachi, farmers rescue what's left of their corn from flooded fields. At a time of global food shortages, it's catastrophic. More than 2 million acres of agricultural land is now underwater, and at least 700,000 cattle are dead. The country's planning minister puts the damage at more than $10 billion, a tough bill to pick up in a country already suffering from an economic crisis.
People have actually lost their complete livelihood. Their orchards, their gardens, their agriculture fields and crops have been destroyed. We have lost more than 45% of cotton crop in Pakistan. Rice crop has been badly damaged.
Today, on a trip to Dorset, the Prime Minister pledged the UK's support.
It's absolutely heartrending that Pakistan is traditionally one of the biggest recipients of UK overseas aid. We will, of course, make sure that we send a fitting package commensurate with the vital relationship that there is between the UK and Pakistan.
The question now is, will help come fast enough and reach everyone in need? Large parts of the country are hard to reach. The main highway between Baluchistan and Sindh province is now an obstacle course to be attempted on foot. Trucks and oil tankers go nowhere. The country's army chief warns it'll be a long road to recovery.
Well, earlier I spoke to Darwa Butt, an environmentalist and the co-founder of Climate Action.